Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID 360, and welcome to Wednesday Wiring. When you woke up this morning and you had a conversation with someone either in your home or a colleague or a client, did you know that you were actually looking at yourself? So this morning, I had a wonderful phone call from my dear colleague, friend, partner, Carrie Preston. And she said to me, I just had a huge aha that how we treat other people is our mirror to ourselves of who we are and how we're feeling. And I said, that's crazy. I just got off a wonderful session that I do shout out to the state of North Dakota. We have a mindfulness session every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I just said the same thing. We were just talking about the same thing about how we are whole. And when we know that wholeness, we exhibit that and we exude that. And so we are mirrors, and I want you just today to think about that everything that you're doing for and with other people is a mirror of yourself. And when you think of things that way, it may take a moment to be mindful of how, number one, we are totally treating and talking to ourselves, and then how we are showing that out and giving it to other people, because what we get back from other people is truly what we are giving them in the first place. Have the best day.